Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money with Cpagrip content locking as a beginner. So you don't need any special skills, you can make money with this even if you're an absolute beginner, because I'm going to show you how to set up everything. So first thing we need to do, we actually need to find something valuable that we are going to lock. And you can find something valuable that you can lock on IDPLR. On IDPLR you can find free ebooks and free video courses. You can also use free PLR downloads. Or you can simply go on YouTube and you can find valuable courses here on YouTube. So for example, let's just say I wish to lock HTML course. So here on YouTube, I can simply search for full HTML course. Okay, full HTML course. And here I can find HTML courses. Okay, look at this one. This one is actually 6.5 hours long. HTML CSS full course. It was uploaded a year ago and it already has 4.3 million views, which means this is actually a good course. So what I need to do, I actually need to click on this video to open this video, but I don't need to watch it. I just need to open it for now. Now, next thing I need to do, I actually need to build a bridge page, because many of these big companies like Google, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and so on, they don't like CPA marketing. So what I need to do, I simply need to go on Google and I can make this bridge page on Google sites, but you can build this bridge page wherever you want. So here for the title, I will actually say something like, for example, learn HTML, okay, HTML, something like that, okay, and I'm actually going to make this to be bold, for example, but you will give it a better name than I did. So now what I need to do, I actually cannot just come and lock this video. I actually need to give them some introduction. I need to provide a bit value. So what I can do, I can simply go here on ChatGPT and I can tell it to write me an introduction for my article, for my content locker, in this case for my video locker, because I wish to lock a YouTube video, okay? So what I can do is I can simply click here on human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. Here I can choose English language, and here I will simply give it a prompt. I can say something like this: give me 500 words introduction for my HTML course, and just press enter, and now ChatGPT will write introduction, 500 words introduction for my course. All I have to do now is just copy this introduction and paste it on my Google Sites website. So I can simply copy this introduction here, so I will just highlight this, okay, copy this, okay, Control C, and I will go back on my Google Sites, double click here, click on this TT for text, and I'm going to paste this text here. So now I need to actually go back here on YouTube and I need to click here on share and I need to click here on embed, because I wish to actually embed this video. I will simply copy this, go back here on Google Sites, and then what I need to do, I need to click here on the right side on embed, okay, and here embed code, and I need to paste embed code for that YouTube video. Click here on next, click here on insert, and that's it. I added this video. I will actually make this to be a bit wider, just like this. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to create a video locker for this video. So I will simply go here on Cpagrip. But guys, you can successfully apply this method not just on Cpagrip, but also on other CPA affiliate networks, on Max Bounty, CPA Lead, CPA Build, and so on and so on. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Cpagrip, okay? So what I need to do, I need to click here on Create New Video Locker, agree to the terms of condition, click here on Continue, and now I need to create a content locker. All I have to do is, and I can actually change this and say here to access this course, okay? This course. Okay, this course, and now people will see, please complete the survey below to unlock this course, okay? And all I have to do now is just click here on save, give it a second, and all I have to do now is just click here on get the code, and this is the code. Copy this code, go back here on Google Sites, and then what I need to do, I simply need to click here, okay, and then click here on this little pencil, and now I need to add my content locker, my video locker actually, and then click here on next, give it a second, and now here you can see this video is locked. Click here on save, and that's it. Now if someone wishes to actually watch this full course, they will have to complete the survey, and then they will be able to watch this video, okay? And that's it. This is how it looks. When I click here on preview, you can actually see how this looks. Now, this is not the best bridge page, but you will create better page. I did this just for the purpose of this video. So all I have to do now is just click here on publish and publish my bridge page. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to start driving traffic to this bridge page. And for that, I can actually use Quora. When I come here on Quora, and here I can simply search, for example, learn HTML and press enter, and then go here on questions, and here you can see there is lots of questions. Lots of people actually wish to learn how to do HTML. Here you can see what is the best way for a beginner to learn HTML, CSS. What is the best way to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript, okay? And what you need to do, you simply need to click, for example, on this first question, and then you need to click here on answer, and you need to then simply copy this question here, and you can simply go back here on ChatGPT, and you can ask the question here, and ChatGPT will answer on this question. But this is really important, guys. Quora doesn't quite like ChatGPT, Jasper and other software that are actually writing these answers. So what you need to do, after ChatGPT write you an answer on this question, you need to edit that question. You need to edit that answer a bit so it looks like it was written by a human being. That is really, really important. You don't have to edit that answer that much. You just need to edit it a bit so it looks like it was written by a human being. And after that, all you have to do is just simply copy that answer, go back here on Quora and paste that here. And don't forget to add a link to your Google site, to your bridge page. That is important. And after you do that, all you have to do is just click here on post, and that's it. You will post your answer on this question here. Here you can see there is 869 people who are actually following this question. And after that, all you have to do is just answer on this question, this question, this question, this question here. As you can see, there is lots of questions here. Many people wish to learn how to do HTML and CSS. And that is exactly what we are showing them here. Here you can see this is HTML, CSS full course from beginner to the pro, okay? And actually I'm going to leave you a link in description of this video where I showed you how you can rank your Quora answer as a top answer every time on every question, and in that way you will get most of the traffic to your bridge page where you actually have your content locker, and people will wish to watch that course because this is a full course and they will complete the survey and you will make money with Cpagrip content locker. And also you can, like I said, you can apply this on other CPA affiliate networks and make money with CPA marketing as an absolute beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.